Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at SEI Network. And we're just going to see kind of what's going on because we talked about this X marks the spot and how important it is for us to be able to get above a certain level. We're pretty much right there at that range. So we're looking pretty decent. Not in the super 100% clear just because a lot of weird stuff's going on in the market today, but generally speaking, looking quite favorable. So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love to teach people to trade. I truly hope you can learn something today. And obviously if you learned something, comment below, love to hear it. And if you want to learn a lot more, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below if you want to become a better trader. I've got a trading university, academy basically, and of course, signals too. And we hit some nice little profit here today. We took, 23% in 3 days there from Bitcoin, hit our second target for our long, and we have a Solana position open as well right now. So definitely some cool stuff going on, but just be careful. The market is a little funny today with this volatility based on the spot ETF for Bitcoin. So again, just do what we do, low leverage, low position size, keep it safe and realistic right now. No need to get super crazy with leverage because candle wicks are very aggressive lately. Not really the most ideal, okay? So super choppy. All right. Let's talk about the daily time frame, work our way down. So if you're new to this analysis, when we talked here previously, we were still looking good at the overall trend. Okay, so again, trend is your friend, essentially. We are running concurrent with a 20-day SMA. As long as we're above that 20, we're in pretty good shape. Okay, so again, that's kind of where we have here. We've got a bunch of higher highs and higher lows. And effectively at this point, even though we wicked down, we're still closing above that level so far today. So we should be in good shape to see this continuation. However, we got a MACD divergence on the horizon that potentially has a significance, which not just yet, but if that does diverge, we need to kind of respect the fact that the price could shift its momentum. But we look at here, stochastic RSI is telling us the same thing. Traditional RSI is closer to 70, which is still a bullish sign, and money flow index is above that. So we still got money in this coin. We still got, the overall sense here is it's not considered to be overbought, and the general consensus is that we're still bullish in this coin. Okay, no. Well, you got to keep in mind the stochastic and MACD are both telling us the price is pulling back. Duh, we know that. But it could very well bottom out here soon. It does look like it's trying to bounce here off this most recent resistance, turn support at about 63 cents. Okay, so 0.382 for the win. We'll see what's going on here on the 4 hour. We are in a precarious situation here. In other words, we're back up over the 20-day SMA for the moment. Again, we're only got 8 minutes left in this candle, but we got the 50-day SMA there holding the price action kind of in place. So getting a solid closure above the 50-day SMA to me seems like a really good consideration there. Okay. Now again, don't overthink that little X there. That's basically just there as a confirmation for the Ichimoku cloud, and it's still a little premature at this point to confirm that we've broken above that, but look at the MACD here. We are converging or trying to converge almost. Not quite there yet, but we're close, letting us know that we have a potential shift in momentum to the upside. Okay, so the 4 hour time frame is really good about letting us know, it's transitionary. In other words, the overall big picture and where coins are going to be going. The 4 hour time frame gives you the best perspective, in my personal opinion, letting us know kind of generally here that the shift in momentum is occurring. While it hasn't officially happened yet, and the previous one didn't happen as well, we got kind of an MACD-FU right here. If this one does converge, we have a decent chance the price will continue higher. But again, we need a closure here at about 70 cents or higher. And the reason why that's important is because that's a previous resistance level. You can kind of see here, correction, it's previous support level. And then also somewhat of a resistance here. We saw a candlestick closure that couldn't close above 70 cents here yesterday. Today we wicked up past it and haven't closed above yet either. So again, price goes like this here. We're looking for something along those lines to essentially continue to pounce off of this level. Okay, that's what we're really looking for. That to me is a full-on confirmation. Of course, that needs to be running concurrent with other things too. And if we look at the hourly, we want it to still be above the cloud. It would naturally be above if we close above this level. So we close here, and we're going to be in good shape. So again, ultimately, we want to see a 70 cents or higher as a consideration for a long position. Okay. Right now, I wouldn't say it's premature, but it still is a little bit, because if you look at this here, cloud is pretty much running right there, and we're practically riding the cloud, the upper lead on the cloud here. Okay, and that's usually a resistance level until you close soundly above it. To me, 3 or 4 hours above that level is extremely important, and I just think it's important to note a few things here. 70 cents or higher, I think is a good confirmation. If you get in now, again, low position size, low leverage, highly recommend you do not go crazy with it. Okay, you can add to your position. So just say, for example, you take a cross margin leverage trade. You can add to your margin as the price goes up if you like and get some skin in the game now. That's a potential option for you. Just keep that in mind. Other than that, I recommend waiting a little bit longer until today's candlestick closes at 70 cents or higher. If it doesn't close at 70 cents or higher, we're going to need to reevaluate and kind of see what's going on. We do have this level here, this previous, somewhat of a support, because we got this kind of channel here. Right about 68 cents is the secondary support level based on 4-hour closure as well. Okay, so that's an option there. Okay, but again, 70 cents or higher, I think we're in good shape. That's what we're going to be looking for. Hopefully that made sense. I described this correctly. Thank you so much for watching. Very last thing to make sure you use this link to register for Bitunix so you can be eligible for this trading competition. No KYC, no VPN exchange, phenomenal exchange. My favorite by far. Our community loves them. They've been very good to us, and I thank you so much. But if you use my link to register, not only will you be eligible for that competition, you'll also have some nice benefit rewards awaiting you too as well. Super, super easy money. Again, great exchange, great options. Check them out. Let me know your thoughts, of course. But if you have questions, concerns, reach out. If you do, again, want to become a community member, cryptocash.tech is a site. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.